With NXCAM for machinery, you get a full range of NC programming capabilities to efficiently manufacture machinery parts. Program your prismatic parts twice as fast with volume-based milling. Select floors and walls and then let NXCAM calculate the machining volume to create smart tool paths. Because NX tracks and displays the remaining material after each operation, you can easily create tool paths that efficiently cut leftover volumes. NX provides a simple way to program parts that require multiple setups. It automatically tracks the in-process workpiece across the entire process so that repositioning moves are kept safe, machining operations optimized, and error cuts minimized. And with NX, you only need one system to drive milling, drilling, turning, mill turn, and wire EDM machines. The tracking of the in-process workpiece makes programming fast and simple, even when the part is transferred from machine to machine. You can automate programming for standard features, part families, and even multiple parts arranged in fixtures. Program the part, position it, and copy it to multiple locations. Then, with a press of a button, NX automatically creates a collision-free program for all of the parts. There's no need for extra third-party machine tool simulation software to check tool paths. You can validate your programs directly inside NXCAM. Use integrated G-code-driven simulation to accurately represent how your machine will actually perform on the shop floor. A 3D model of the machine with the part, fixtures, and tooling moves according to the post-processed NC program. The integrated CAD capabilities let you design fixtures and clamping devices. The Knowledge Reuse Library enables you to easily access your standard parts for setups. By using the assembly capabilities, you can quickly position parts in context. The setup configurations can be easily shared with the shop floor via conventional drawings or 3D viewer technology. NXCAM automatically produces shop documentation that includes both tooling information and operation sheets that you can easily configure in an Excel spreadsheet. You can even manage all of your 3D part models, manufacturing resources, tool lists, and NC programs to ensure that parts are machined correctly on the shop floor. By connecting NX to Teamcenter software, your manufacturing process is integrated and controlled, right from planning all the way to the machine tool. Contact us to learn more about NXCAM for machinery. Siemens Manufacturing Solution for machinery parts and heavy equipment.